Everyone loves cake, but many of us don't intend to make it at home, just thinking, I don't have oven, so how can I bake a cake? But I said you don't need an oven for making cakes. In this video, I am going to use a very simple recipe, and yes, you got that right, no oven. So let's start. You need a cup of flour, 2 beaten egg, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 6 to 8 teaspoons of white sugar, 2 or 3 teaspoon powder milk, and some oil. Add sugar, baking powder and milk with the flour and mix them all with a spoon or a hand beater. Then add the beaten egg and 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Then use a hand beater or a spoon or a fork to mix them all and make a thick but not sticky batter. After that, perfectly oil up a steel bowl, or you can use melted butter for this. Then pour the batter in this bowl. And keep it aside for a few minutes to help it set properly. In the meantime, you take a pan and pour water in it and turn on your stove in a low-medium heat. The depth of the water should be a quarter of the size of your bowl so it doesn't drown in the water. Use a lid to cover the bowl and block the hole of the lid if any, or adjust it so the hole stays outside the bowl. Keep the heat same all the time. Your cake should be ready within 45 or 50 minutes. When you touch it, it will feel soft and fluffy. If you feel it's ready, take out the bowl carefully and use a spoon to separate the edge of the cake from the bowl. Use a plate to cover the bowl and flip it. You should be able to take out the bowl easily. And the cake is ready without any oven. You can preserve it in fridge for at least 7 days. So that's it for today. See you in a couple of days with another recipe. So subscribe to my channel to stay connected. Till then, bye.